Hello techies, this is Amol Amkar. Welcome to Tech Blooded's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how we can check our internet speed using Python. Before we dive into the tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button for video notifications. Nowadays, internet speed is most important for us. Most of us use Google to check speed of our internet connection. What about if I give you a solution to test your internet speed using Python? Using Speedtest library, we are able to test the speed of our internet connection using Python. In order to access the Python library, you need to install it into your Python environment by using command pip install speedtest CLI. So let's get install it. Using this command, you will able to install the Speedtest library. Requirement already satisfied because mine is already installed. Now let's import the package in our Python script to use this library by using import speedtest. Now let's create an instance of speedtest. To create an instance of speedtest, all you have to do is will create an instance as st equal to speedtest and our instance will be created as st. Let's move forward and check for download speeds. We will make use of download method to fetch the speed. We will store the download speed in dl variable st dot. We'll use the method download to check the download speed. And similarly, to check the upload speed, we will make the use of upload method to fetch the upload speed. So I will store it in the ul st dot upload. So we fetch both download and upload speed. Let's print this. Print. So let's print the download and upload speed. Yeah, download speed is this much and upload speed is this much, but it is in the bits. So this methods return speed in bits. So before printing it, let's convert into the Mbps. So dl equal dl by dividing this speed by 10 raised to 6 power, you will get a speed in Mbps. And now we'll print this. Yeah, this is the speed in Mbps 5.58 and 4.83. You can round up it. You can round up it up to 2 digits, 3 digits. Also we can add Mbps at the ending of print statement for more clarification. So after this, let's check for ping. st dot get servers and after this, what you have to do, only store the ping value in ping variable st dot results dot ping, and the ping will get stored in the ping variable. And to print this ping, we will add print statement. Print ping is equal to ping, and if we run this, we will get all download speed, upload speed and ping also. Yeah, we got download speed, upload speed and ping also. Yeah, this is too much large, so we can round up it. Round dl up to 3. Also dwell up to 3. And now if we print this, yeah, it's better than previous one. It's round up to 3 decimals, and we get all the information what we want, and this is how you can test your internet speed. That's it. Hope this tutorial has helped. You can play around with the Speedtest library and even explore more features of it. You can even make use of Python GUI using Tkinter. If you love this tutorial, please like it, subscribe to our channel for upcoming amazing tutorials. So guys, see you in the next tutorial. Till then, keep coding.